Hello my friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine. Now friends, this video going to be very special and urgent update for all Dogecoin holders. In this video we are talking about the next move of Dogecoin and when the Dogecoin hit a $1 friends. So keep watching this video till the end friends, and if you are new to my channel, so please make sure to subscribe Abby's Tech channel for more news and updates friends. First of all, we talk about the current price of the Dogecoin. 0.568935 USD dollar is the current price of Dogecoin friends. Absolutely a very fastly moving Dogecoin. As you can see, the market rank of the Dogecoin as a fourth is the market rank of the Dogecoin in the cryptocurrencies market friends. If you look, the price change occurs, so the last 1 hour change is positive, last 1 day change is positive, and last 1 week change is also positive friends. That's mean that over and over jumps occur in a Dogecoin friends. Let's see the price prediction chart after last 1 day of the Dogecoin friends. As you can see here friends, absolutely unbelievable change occur in the Dogecoin friends. Absolutely, it's a good news for all Dogecoin holders friends. And if you look, the price change occur, so approximately 38.88% positive change occur in the Dogecoin in the last 1 day friends. The highest price is about 0.592297 USD dollar is the highest price of the Dogecoin in the last 1 day friends. So now friends, as you can see here, at this time they again take a jump. So I hope they can easily hit a $1 dollar in next coming soon 2 weeks. What's your opinion when Dogecoin had a $1 dollar friends? I hope in the next 2 weeks they can easily hit a $1 dollar friends. What's your opinion about Dogecoin? Please share in the comment box. If this kind of change continue, so I hope in 2022 they can easily hit 3 or 4 USD dollar if this kind of change continue and a Dogecoin still the last of this year friends. What's your opinion? Please share in the comment box, and friends remember to subscribe Abby's Tech channel for more news and updates.